Hey, welcome back to my channel. Stromberg Carlson LG 142178 Venture Landing Gear Motor. Stromberg Carlson product LG 142178 Venture Landing Gear. 5,500 pounds landing gear replacement motor. Unloaded leg retraction rate, 4.25 per minute. Venture landing gear motor only. The Stromberg Carlson replacement landing gear motor is designed for Stromberg Carlson landing gear system models LG1 and LG2. It may also be used with Lippert, Venture and Atwood landing gear systems. 5500 lb landing gear replacement motor. Unloaded leg retraction rate, 4.25 per minute. Constructed of quality, durable materials. Quick and easy installation. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.